Hello, Business 493 Directed Study students. This is Professor Hassey. Today is Saturday, June 19th, 2021, and this is our introduction video to class number 2, which will be a week from today, Saturday, June 26th at 9 in the morning. And Elizabeth and Stella, I wanted to say hi again to you this week and hope you are getting along in our course okay. Remember, we have a assignment number 1 due this evening, Saturday, June 19th, posted to Blackboard. If you need some extra time in posting that, please just send me a quick email and you can post it on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday if you'd like. So if you need some extra time doing that assignment, please feel free. Or if you have any questions, please get in contact with me. Our topic for next Saturday's class is banking and budgeting. We're going to finish our discussion about banking and borrowing, and we're going to talk about budgeting, how budgeting is so crucial to personal financial management. We'll look at a couple videos. There's a couple videos posted in our class number 2 in file folder. So I would like you to take a look at an introductory video for our class next Saturday, and it talks about the basis of all our borrowing and budgeting, our FICO score. So let's take a look at that.
Why do you need to understand what a FICO score is and how it's used? Because it's the credit score most commonly used by US lenders. Every day, thousands of lenders use it to more accurately understand your credit risk and make more well-informed credit granting decisions. In a nutshell, the FICO score is a number that predicts how likely you are to pay back a loan or other credit obligations in a timely fashion. The FICO scores are calculated from the data in your credit reports housed at the 3 main credit bureaus. The scores consider information about your payment history, use of available credit, plus other factors. Most of us have FICO scores for each of our credit reports. Of course, if you don't have any recently reported credit history, you won't have a FICO score. FICO scores are dynamic and can change up or down if and when your data at the credit bureaus changes. And they're calculated in real time, so they're current as of the time you or a lender requests them. FICO scores generally range from 300 to 850. The higher the score, the lower the risk for the lender. Ultimately, your FICO scores are in your hands because it's based on your credit habits as captured in your credit report. Your FICO scores do not determine whether you're approved for credit or what interest rate is assigned. That's up to the lender. But it does help the lender make that credit granting decision. So why do FICO scores matter to you? First, it makes the lending process faster and more fair. It provides you with more credit choices at competitive rates, and you'll get faster answers from lenders since the scores streamline the application process. And it applies the same set of standards to all borrowers. Finally, as you prepare to apply for a loan and view your own FICO scores, you can see what a lender sees. Your credit history all rolled up in a 3-digit number that predicts your likelihood to pay your bills on time.
Okay, so that just gives us, and you probably already know about it, but that probably gives a nice little review of what the FICO scores are. That'll be a topic of one of our discussions next Saturday morning, and how it relates to borrowing money and budgeting as well. So here's our Blackboard as you all are getting to know it, and we have an assignment due tonight, Saturday, which will be posted to this file. You're going to be posting 2 files. You're going to be posting your answers to the assignment, and you'll be posting your spreadsheet portfolio of stocks you have selected. Also, this week, I would like you to set up a meeting with me this week. Anytime from Monday through Friday of this coming week, June 21st to 25th, I'd like to speak with each one of you individually about our directed study program and about whether as I already indicated, classes are optional, but just meet with you individually for about 5-10 minutes and talk about this directed study for this course. Once you set up a time with me at your convenience, I'll send you the Zoom link and we'll go ahead and meet. So please, if you could send me an email in the next couple of days, giving me a time and a date, or a couple of times and dates where you're available to spend a couple moments with me this coming week to talk about our directed study. I'd appreciate that. So I'll be looking forward to hearing you all from all of you about that. Also, remember our classes are by file folder in Blackboard. Here's our class for this coming week. There's our agenda that you just saw at the beginning of this video. Some work that we're going to be discussing, some individual videos that we might be watched about budgeting basics, which is very important. We'll look at that next week. Some financial planning information in regards to budgeting, how to create a spreadsheet in Excel and do a personal budget, and budgeting 101. So some nice videos and some explanations of the material for our class next Saturday. So again, I look forward to talking to you in the next few days. Good luck with your assignment. And if you need extra time on posting that, please let me know, and look forward to working with you in this next week. All right. So thanks, Elizabeth, and thanks, Stella, and we'll talk to you soon. Adios.